Hello, you are welcome to solve this question. X plus 5 equals X. What is the value of X? Let's start the solution of this question. Okay, firstly, I can shift this X to the left hand side and this 5 to the right hand side, and it become X minus X is equal to negative 5. Here one is positive X and one is negative X, so they both cancel with each other and it become 0 is equal to negative 5. But this is not the correct method. Now I solve this question by correct method. So our given question is x plus 5 equals x. Now taking square on both sides. Okay, when I take square on both sides, left hand side can be written as x plus 5 into x plus 5 is equal to x square. In the next step, I multiply these two brackets, so it become x square plus 5x plus 5x plus 25 equals to x square. In the next step, here this x square cancel with this x square and 5x plus 5x equals 10x plus 25 equals to 0. Now I shift 25 to the right hand side and 10x is equal to negative 25. To find just the value of x, I divided both sides by 10. So here 10 cancel with 10 and 5 2s are 10 and 5 5s are 25. So here the value of x is equal to negative 5 divided by 2. Now let us check that either the value of x is correct or not. So we check the value of x. Our given question is x plus 5 equals to x. Now the value of x is negative 5 divided by 2, so instead of x we put this value negative 5 divided by 2 plus this 5 can be written as 5 divided by 1 equals to, instead of this x we write negative 5 divided by 2. Now taking LCM of this one, so the LCM is 2 and it become negative 5 plus 10 equals to negative 5 divided by 2. Now negative 5 plus 10 equals 5 divided by 2 and is equal to negative 5 divided by 2. These two values are not correct because 5 divided by 2 equals to plus 2.5 is equal to negative 5 divided by 2 equals negative 2.5. These two values are not correct, So the value of this x is not acceptable. Okay, so this is not acceptable. This is the answer, but this question have no solution. If you enjoy the video, please subscribe to the channel for more this type of problem. Thank you. Goodbye.